brightest feathers of the flock. A black-white hummingbird flew up. The man said, well, it's just your luck. Give me 3 eggs, and you, my friend, could have every color that you want. From then on, birds would cross the land to strike a deal with a bird paint man. Give him an egg, and you, my friend, could have vibrant wings painted by hand. One day some doves flew by, so pure, so white, so sweet. But when the man said hi, they said, no paint for me. And then the man became distraught. How could they not want just one spot? The doves refused, said, we won't lose a single egg to your cause. Doves flying by, colorless, wings soaring high. Watch the man think about his life. He tastes the sky.